Bakit kailangan mo mag-masturbate? Super tuto ka na sa Super Rich TV, Super Wow sa kaalaman. Okay, let's keep it 100%, hindi ito taboo. Ito ang 3 health reasons kung bakit need mo mag-masturbate. Self-care na yan, best ha. First, it's the best sleep aid. Hindi ka na mag-overthink sa gabi. Kapag na-release na ang tension, the body releases hormones na natural stress relievers. Ang resulta, super chill ka at mas mabilis kang makakatulog. Better than any sleeping pill. Guaranteed. Second, it's a massive mood booster. Parang nagwo-workout ka lang, pero mas masaya. When you climax, your brain floods with endorphins and dopamine. Sila yung happy hormones mo. Kaya kapag bad trip ka or feeling mo low vibe ka, go for it. Instant glow up. And the third, it boosts your body literacy. Dito mo malalaman kung ano ang gusto mo, ano ang hindi mo gusto. It makes you more confident in your sexuality and mas magiging vocal ka with a partner. Hindi mo kailangang mag-rely sa iba. You are your own source of pleasure. So, drop the shame. Normalize self-pleasure. This is healthy, this is natural, and this is self-love 101. Nice. Go na, laruin mo na si Junior.